How to know who views your Instagram profile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to know who views your Instagram profile. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to begin to do is to head into my Instagram application on my mobile. Right now there's no button that we can click on Instagram to see exactly who visited the Instagram page. But there's actually a way around this, so keep watching because I will show you exactly what I mean. What we need to do is to click on this symbol right here, and what we need to do next is to click where it says story, and now just upload a random story. I'm going to choose this one right here, and what I need to do now is to click where it says your story. The photo is now posted to my story. So what I need to do now is to just wait for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to click here to go back to my story. And now I will need to click right here. In here, I will be able to see who has viewed my Instagram story. And I can check if there's somebody that does not follow me, because if they don't follow me, then they have most likely gone to my Instagram page and then clicked on my story. So because of that, then I know that that specific person has visited my Instagram profile. What you also can do if you want is to click on this plus symbol once again, then click on story highlight and just choose a story for your story highlight. It will now be in here. So then when people are in your Instagram profile, then they will be able to see your story highlight. And if they click on it, then you will be able to see who viewed your highlight as well. So because of that, you will be able to know who visits your Instagram profile. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.